If you ever drive along Lusaka Road from the City Stadium Roundabout, he is a tip that could save you a lot of stress. Do not rush to keep the left lane immediately after the roundabout, no matter where you're going. That left lane is one of the busiest sections on this stretch. You'll often find matatus stopping without warning to pick up and drop off passengers, motorcycles riding against the traffic, and even Mikokoteni coming straight towards you in that lane. It's much safer to stay alert and give yourself some space until you've crossed the bridge. Once you're past it, you can comfortably move back into your left lane, because you know, here the country, we keep left unless overtaking. And one more thing, keep an eye on your speed. The traffic cops frequently stationed in most of the roundabouts along this road take traffic rules seriously. This is one place where mistakes can easily earn you a whole day in a police station, somewhere in an industrial area police station. So stay alert, drive patiently, and you will have a much smoother journey. Cops here are not so much forgiving.
Turn left.
My name is
turn
Evan,
right.
and I travel for fun. I'm a travel enthusiast, and if you are wondering whether you can get me on YouTube, yes, I'm there too, under the name Evans the Traveler. Adios.
Turn right, then Ken's Metal Limited will be on the left. Ken's Metal Limited is on the left.